You are highly welcome to this channel. In this channel, we only talk about picture framing. Learn how to make picture framing by becoming a member. This and another opportunity I'm giving out to learn secrets behind this business. You that has been watching my videos and wanted to become a special student but couldn't afford the amount, this and another opportunity to join the member. Becoming a member, you will be giving out special videos, the same videos I'm giving to my students. You will be having access to the same videos and also live videos I'll be going out with. I'll be showing members places to get tools, materials, the kind of shops to enter, the kind of shops to request for tools, and where to get it cheaper. All of them will be on my live videos. That's the live videos I'll be going out for. And not only that, members will be first to access videos I will be uploading. And secrets behind this business are meant for members. So I'm urging you to join membership in this channel if you really want to learn picture framing and use it as a side hustle. Thank you, and please help me to share with others. Love you guys.